Good morning. Hi. Okay, today I am going to be doing good morning. So it is about 11 a.m. Okay, I've had a nice lie-in. All right, I'm still in my bonnet and my bathrobe, and I'm about to get ready and see what I want to do today. So this right here is my bonnet, and I am going to be taking off my bonnet and ruffling my locks. I am actually due for a retwist. Yeah, I've not had a retwist in a while. You can see I've got a lot of growth right here, so that will be happening soon. But yeah, I'm ruffling my locks, and I'm probably going to be putting up the front of my hair using a hairband. All right, let's do that. So this is what my hair looks like at the moment. I'm just going to take the front and I'm going to leave out the back, and I'm going to just put it up like so. Whilst I'm at it, I'm going to share the different types of hairbands I use to style my locks. First up, we've got a cotted scrunchie. Now, I do like to use this if I want a more secure feel on my bun whilst styling my locks. So like you can see right here, there is not much room for the hair to move. The second hairband is a satin scrunchie, which looks something like this, and this has more of a silkier feel to it. Also, it allows room for my locks to move and feel less secure. Last but not least are these elastic bands. Now these are good for when I want to only style a few of my locks at the front, but yeah, these do snag quite a bit, so I don't like to use them that often. Right guys, on to the next English word. I am moving on to my 4-step morning and evening skincare routine. First, I like to use my cleanser. I'm going to squeeze a little onto my palm, close it, and massage it into my face like so. I usually like to leave this on my face for about a minute before I wash it all off. But as you can see, my face is very shiny from the product. Once I've left it on for 1 minute, I'm going to wash off my face. I am going to massage this into my skin like so. I'm using both of my hands to massage the product into my face, and I'm going to do this for 1 minute. After a minute, I am going to wash off the product from my face. I'll be right back. Right, I'm back from washing my face, and as you can see, my skin is still wet. So I'm going to be drying off my face with these paper towels. So I'm just going to take a couple like so, and I'm going to gently dab the water off my face. Do that a couple of times. Now, as you can see, my skin is now dry. I am breaking out a little bit. I'm going to be adding a serum that targets dark spots. So I'm going to apply a little on my skin. like so. Now this particular product can be applied to my skin using a pipette. So this right here, this tool here is called a pipette, and I can squeeze it and I can release a few drops at a time. So I'm going to suck up some of the product. I'm going to use my pipette to add a few drops to my skin like so. Then I'm going to close the bottle and I'm going to gently massage the product into my skin. I'm going to work the products on my cheeks, around my mouth, on my nose and onto my forehead. I'm going to be adding my moisturizer. So again, I'm going to squeeze a little onto my palm and I am going to apply it to my fingertips and work the product into my skin. So, onto the next word. Now I am going to be applying some eye cream underneath my eyes. For this product, I need to pump a little to my fingers and apply like so. Now last but not least, I'm going to be applying some sunscreen to protect my skin from the sun's UV rays. I'm going to take my product and shake and drizzle it across my skin. And again, I'm going to work that in. Okay, so I've decided to do something a little different with my hair. I'm going to take my locks and separate it down the middle. I'm going to grab a bunch of my locks, tie it using this hairband. I'm going to repeat exactly the same thing on the right side of my hair. Now last but not least, I am going to add a little bit of Vaseline to my lips. And like so, my morning routine is complete. And there you have it, guys. You've completed my morning routine with me and we've added in a drizzle of English language. See you in the next one. See you in the next one.